Good Tuesday evening, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Justin Peterson, and let's go on ahead and start off with your weather for your Tuesday evening going into your Wednesday morning. Now, starting on it, looking down near us in South Carolina, no precipitation is expected, so that is a great thing that storm system is actually. Let me change that arrow. It went up here. You can see that snow has completely cleared the New England area. There are still some places that obviously are going to get some snow, but the majority of it is now out and in Canada now. So that is a good thing for us. And if we, again, just talk about this area, we do still have this entire area right here that is experiencing snowfall up there in New York and some rain inside of Pennsylvania. We also do have some of those snow and that rain up inside the Great Lakes region as well. And then we do have some snow up here in the Montana region, rain down there in the southwest. And we have some rain over here as well in the Midwest and the northern central plains. So let's go ahead and look at our cloud cover for tonight. As of right now, cloud cover, it's looking pretty clear. It's looking just really good. I told y'all that we probably weren't gonna have no cloud cover today, and well, we really did not. I mean, you can see it now. No cloud cover really is impacting the area as of now. Mainly, it's kind of like a little. I'm not gonna say a boundary because it's not a boundary, but we do have some cloud cover up there in the Appalachian. You might barely be able to see that. I know you can definitely see the cloud cover near Savannah, but if you do look over near the upstate and look over at the Appalachian Mountains, you can kind of see a bit of cloud cover there. And I know they just went through some damaging winds today because they did have, I think they had like 85 to 90 mile per hour wind gusts today up there in the mountains. So pretty devastating and damaging stuff that's going on up there. But here's our current temperatures right now: 49 in Columbia, 48 in Florence, 51 in Augusta, 54 in Charleston, 51 in Savannah, 52 in Myrtle Beach. Down to our south: 58 in Jacksonville, 55 in Gainesville, 52 in Tallahassee, 56 in Spring Hill, 64 in Orlando. To our west: 48 in Atlanta, 45 in Birmingham, 43 in Huntsville, 46 in Montgomery, 53 in Mobile, 56 in New Orleans, 51 in Baton Rouge. Then to our north: 47 in Memphis, 39 in Chattanooga, 46 in Charlotte, 47 in Fayetteville. And then let's go ahead and look at our minimum temperature for tonight. Minimum temperatures for tonight around 35 near Columbia and Sumter, as well as 35 near Florence, 34 for the upstate. Some places could get around 32 up there as well, 40s near the coast as well. Now let's go ahead and talk about our wind gusts. I mean, look at these. All the wind gusts that was here today is completely just out of the region. No more high wind gusts. Around 10 15 mile an hour wind gusts is all we're gonna get. And let me look. Okay, yeah. So the highest wind gust that I got today at my house was 40 miles an hour. I'm down here in Somerville, so around 40 mile an hour wind gusts is what we got down here in Somerville near Charleston. So that is pretty interesting to see that we were really only expecting around 31, but we got 40 instead. Here's our max precipitation. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. That was at 7 o'clock, so around an hour ago. And then here is the models as well. So I'm going ahead and push these forward. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Let me go ahead and switch that off. Alright, let's go ahead and show y'all the models. So if we push this forward, as you can see, that no rain is happening. We do have a high pressure over us, as you know. We will push this forward some more. Nothing really happening at all. 1,026 millibars. That is very fair weather. Now, here is our Storm Prediction Center's outlook. No thunderstorms are forecasted for the entire United States today. Going into tonight, we can look at tomorrow. No thunderstorms are forecast for tomorrow. Look at, I think this is Thursday. No thunderstorms are forecast for Thursday. We are in a quiet period for when it comes to severe weather. Nothing for the day 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. So we're in the clear. We're good. And same thing with excessive rainfall. No thunderstorms, potential problem, no flash flooding. We have the day 2, which we do have a little day 2 over here in California, but that's from the atmospheric river, not from thunderstorms. And when we get into the day 3, I do think it's not showing the message, so there probably is a chance of excessive rainfall somewhere, but it's not loading right now. I will try and pull that up in a second, but that's our excessive rainfall outlooks. And then here is the long-term models, and I just checked. There is a day 4 and a day 5, but there is no day 3. So, never mind, we're not missing anything from the day 3. Here is our GFS model. We push this forward. You see we're inside that high pressure. California is getting slammed with that heavy rain and snow up in the mountains. And then once we push this forward, you can see we will get some precipitation hitting us around the 17th. And it might be some prolonged rain, according to the GFS. We might look at the Euro to see what it says. But as of right now, it's looking to be just some heavy rain, potentially. Then we have another atmospheric river that's going to try hit California, which it does. And going to bring us potentially some heavy rain and some gusty winds. Would not even be surprised if there was some sort of severe weather aspect. But this is 240 hours out. We do got to watch this. And yeah, definitely could provide some severe weather because you got that bowling ball trough. I call it the bowling ball. You see how it goes downward and then it goes kind of like back upward. That's what I call the bowling ball trough. You can see Cape as well. Cape, is Cape there for that? I mean, there's potential for the Cape to be there. You can go ahead and check out, see if they have the 850 millibar winds. Yeah, so it's possible that severe weather could happen that day, but again, we're way too far out. We'll look at the Euro after this, though. That gets out of our hair, and then we have another high pressure over us. Rockies hit us, and just a huge band of rain wants to form in the central United States and move over to the east. This is 300 hours out, though, so this is La La Land. I mean, look at the west. Look at that huge storm system that's going to be hitting them. And that's going to bring out some potentially, look at this. This is a classic severe weather symbol right here. So if this happens, we might have widespread severe weather with this. But again, this 384 hours out. This probably won't happen, but if it does, obviously, I will let y'all know as soon as I can and as soon as we have information on it. But that's kind of the next that I'm watching for, I guess. We do have this one system right here that potentially could try and do something. Or this is around February the 23rd. We can go to the Euro model, see what the Euro says. Let's go to the 12Z instead of the 18Z. Previous run. Alright. So, once you push this forward, it's pretty much showing that precipitation out there in California. And then after that, it's not really showing anything else. You push it back. All the previous runs is not showing anything at all. So, that's going to be that. Thank you all so much for watching this forecast update. And I will be back tomorrow for Wednesday morning. I'll see y'all tomorrow.